you craving something light and fluffy? Let's make fluffy egg pancakes. This simple recipe will delight your taste buds. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 medium eggs, 4 teaspoons of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cake flour or all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now let's get cooking. Begin by separating the egg yolks and whites. In a bowl, whisk the yolks with milk, flour, vanilla extract, and sugar. Mix until creamy. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk the egg whites until they reach stiff peaks. Be careful not to overmix them, as we want to keep that fluffiness. Gradually fold the beaten egg whites into the yolk mixture using a spatula. This folding technique keeps the air in the mixture, making your pancakes fluffy. Heat your frying pan evenly over low heat. Pour a small amount of batter into the center. Cook until the edges look set, then flip gently. Serve your fluffy egg pancakes warm and enjoy! Remember, cooking over low heat ensures they cook evenly. And plus, mixing flour gradually into the yolks leads to the perfect batter. To recap, we mixed yolks and whites separately, folded the whites in, and cooked the pancakes on low heat for fluffiness. Thank you for watching. We'd love your feedback, so please let us know how your pancakes turned out.